Alright guys, coming with a new video. Today talking about Ironfish. It's a privacy focused crypto, CPU mined currently. They say they're going to be working on GPUs. So we're just going to go through setting that up. What we're going to do is set up two nodes today. One's going to be serving the work and mining, and one is going to be just mining. So the first thing we want to do is go through and update our repositories, and then we're going to upgrade the system. We're going to do that on both systems, the master node, I guess you could call it, and the mining node. So there will be a link below to a Google Doc with all these commands. So after we update and upgrade the nodes, we're going to remove any existing Docker, and then we're going to go and install. Basically, we'll start with some prerequisites, and then we're going to install Docker itself. You can see here, we're just removing everything, reinstalling it in case you have any issues with the pre-existing install. And we're going to grab the key for the Docker install, and we're going to grab the script, install that repository, and then from there we're going to install Docker and all the prerequisites. Don't need a lot of space. Probably could do this on even possibly an 8 gig. Your biggest files are going to be the blockchain itself, which currently is in Testnet Phase 2. Well, Phase 2 starts tomorrow. Phase 1 has ended, so we're not looking at a huge blockchain. As always, we're going to run the Docker hello world script, make sure that our installation completed correctly, and then we're going to do some setups. So Ironfish Testnet, you use what's called a graffiti. You do have to sign up on the website and select your graffiti, and then here we're going to add it to the node. And what I'm doing in this case is importing the account that I have from the master node, and you can basically just start a new account for yourself and get your address, get your keys. And then we're going to tell Ironfish to use that account. We're going to go reach out to the faucet with our email that we signed up with and grab some coin so we can participate on the testnet. And there we started the miner itself, and you can see that we're getting work. So the next thing we want to do is start the miner on our node so that it connects to the node running the get work. So once we have that connected, you can see that it's just a local connection over to a different server. Basically, this is all running on a Proxmox cluster, and they're just talking back and forth. You can see we have two miners connected. That's the node that runs get work is mining, as well as this node. The commands are a little different. They're sectioned off on the Google Doc. So you can see that one, we're basically going to start the node, tell it to run the get work, and then we're going to mine to it. And the other node doesn't need to run the get work, and we're basically just mine. So you can see here's the Ironfish website. A little dated. I made this video about a month ago. Since then, Phase 1 has ended, and Phase 2 is beginning sometime tomorrow. So you can see that they're just talking a lot about privacy, and making it easy for folks to utilize. Now, Testnet Phase 1, you were rewarded for different things. Testnet Phase 2, you're going to be rewarded for running a node that stays online for 12 hours. And you'll also be rewarded for sending transactions. There's other things you can get rewards for, such as submitting pull requests, identifying bugs, creating content, different things like that. Again, you can see this is a little different from if you went to the website today. So I've been mining this since early March. I think I've earned about 1,000 coins, the Testnet coins, which you will need to use in Testnet Phase 2 to gain rewards. So in an effort to find different things just to utilize the gear I have, I had some idle Xeon servers and decided to put them to work. So over 2 months, around 1,000 coins, say 500 coins a month. Coins don't have any value. This is just to help participate, help grow the network, strengthen the network, and find bugs. Does seem like a pretty active Discord. You can see they do have a roadmap, and they have been successfully achieving that. So here you see where you sign up. You're going to choose your graffiti, set your email up, your country, so on and so forth. Big thing to make sure is that your graffiti matches when you set the nodes up. And on this video, I made this pretty quickly after setting up, so I hadn't earned any points. Not earned too much for the Testnet 1 since it ended pretty quickly after I started. Alright, so that's pretty much all there is to setting it up. Now we did this with Docker, so you can run it on any type machine. This is running on Xeon R720 and R620 Dell servers. 24 cores or 24 threads apiece. And it's doing pretty well. I'm not going to get too much involved into the white paper or anything. This video is mostly about setting up, getting yourself running and earning. And let me know down in the comments if you're interested in knowing a little bit more about the white paper, a little bit of an analysis. And hit that thumbs up. Subscribe, leave a comment if there's a project that you want me to take a look at, and I hope everybody has a great night.